Vivo X21 is arriving to replace the X20 smartphone on March 19th. The company has recently confirmed that the Vivo X21 will be equipped with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. There is a possibility that the handset may feature a half-screen under-display fingerprint reader like the newly unveiled Vivo Apex flagship. Today, Qualcomm China has teased on its Weibo account that the Vivo X21 will be featuring a Snapdragon chipset. The Vivo X20 smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 660 chipset. Recent reports have claimed that the Vivo X21 would be either featuring the recently announced MediaTek Helio P60 SoC or the unannounced Snapdragon 670 chipset. The below shown Weibo post shows the cooperative relationship between Qualcomm and Vivo. Hence, it is being speculated that the Vivo X21 could be arriving as the phone powered by Snapdragon 670 chipset. Last year, the Snapdragon 660 chipset had debuted on Oppo R11 and R11 smartphones. The upcoming Oppo R15 and Oppo R15 Dream Mirror Edition were rumored to feature Snapdragon 670 chipset. However, Oppo has recently confirmed that the Oppo R15 and R15 Dream Mirror Edition will be respectively featuring MediaTek Helio P60 and Snapdragon 660 chipset. Hence, there is a possibility that the Vivo X21 could be the first Snapdragon 670 chipset powered smartphone. The entire specs of the Snapdragon 670 chipset have been already leaked. It is an 10nm chipset that features low-end hexa-core processor that clock at 2.6 GHz and high-end dual-core processor that has a processing speed of 1.7 GHz. The SoC includes Adreno 615 graphics. Around 2 months ago,